Good morning class 6. This is your MB class. In this video we are going to start your MB subject chapter 1, and chapter 1 is about the topic love for God. Okay, chapter 1 is about the topic love for God. Before going to start the video, I want to tell you that in every morning you have to clean yourself properly, you have to bath properly. After that you have to worship in front of God holding your hands and doing prayer. Okay, so what I am telling, in every morning you have to do prayer in front of God after your bathing. Okay, so before going to start this chapter, I want to tell you that there is a prayer in your MB book front page. You have to do this prayer in every morning. Okay, now let's do this prayer with me. Okay, at first hold your hands. Om Bhurvashaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Vargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. So students, you have to do this prayer properly in front of God in every morning. Now let's read your book line by line. I am going to explain properly the meaning of the text. You have to read with me. Okay, let's start. So let's read. God is our creator. God is our creator. What it means? God creates everything in this earth. Okay, He has given us almost everything that we need. है ना? We human beings need so many things for live. That's why God gives us everything to live. है ना? God gives us human beings, animal beings, nature. है ना? His love for us is eternal and enormous. The God loves us a lot. So we should also love and so care for Him. As the God loves us a lot, that's why we have to love and do care for the God. But how is it possible? But how is it possible? God is invisible. We cannot see Him. God is invisible. है ना? God is invisible. We cannot see God. है ना? We can only believe in Him. What we can do? We can only trust on God. We can show our love for God by praying to Him and thanking Him for everything that He has given us. How we can love and care the God? We have to do prayer and we have to thank God for everything He has given us in this earth for our living. Rich and wealthy people express their love for God by constructing different houses of God like temples, mosques, gurudwaras, churches, etc. है ना? What rich people do? Rich people show their love for God by building different houses for God. है ना? For Muslims religion, mosques. For Sikh religion, gurudwaras. For Christian religion, churches. है ना? They make all these building construction for God to show their love for God. Some people distribute food and clothes among the poor and needy people. And what some people do to show their love for God? Some people distribute food and clothes among the poor people. है ना? to show their love for God. Some people, when they reach a certain age, live the worldly life and practice meditation. है ना? Some people, when they come to an older age, they don't have any interest for household things. है ना? They practice meditation in this age. They live the life of monks, sadhus, priests or nuns. है ना? They start to live the life of monks, sadhus, priests or nuns. But everyone cannot do that. But it is not possible for everyone to live a life like monks, sadhus, priests or nuns. There is no point in doing any of the above things if we do not have love for our fellow beings. Yes, God loves only those people who love their fellow beings. What fellow beings means? Fellow beings means without human beings, the other creatures those exists in this earth are called fellow beings. है ना? Without human beings, the other creatures like animals, birds and other creatures those God has given in this earth are called fellow beings. We cannot see God, but we can see our fellow beings. We cannot see God, it is true. But we can see our fellow beings. But we can see any other creatures around us. है ना? We can't see God, this is true. But we can see our fellow beings. Fellow beings means animal creature, birds creature. है ना? We can see definitely the fellow beings. So we can make God happy by loving and showing care towards our fellow beings. We can show our love for God by loving the fellow beings. So how can we show our love for God? We can show our love for God by loving our fellow beings in this nature those God has given. Okay, now see the next page. Let us take the case of a lady named Sunita. Now see a case of a lady. An incident is about a lady whose name is Sunita. She is a great devotee of God. She is a great worshipper of God. She gets up early in the morning, takes bath and starts her worshipping routine. है ना? She gets up early in the morning. She wake up early in the morning. Then she takes bath and starts her worshipping routine to God. Gathering flowers, making garlands, preparing sweets for prasad, going to temple, lighting diyas and scented incense sticks, whispering mantras and prayers while moving around the house and spreading the holy fumes of guggle are her daily activities. Okay, this is the story of a lady whose name is Sunita. What she does in every morning? She in every morning she wake up at first, then she takes bath, starts worshipping the God by gathering flowers, making garland, preparing sweets for prasad, going to temple, lighting diyas and scented incense stick, whispering mantras and prayers while moving around the house and spreading the holy fumes of guggle are her daily activities. Every day she does this work for God. Her children get ready on their own. Her children get ready by themselves. They are generally untidy. Untidy means not clean. है ना? They keep their self unclean and often late for school. They do often late for going to school. They are weak in studies and sports. Her children are very weak in studies and sports. Do you think such a behavior shown by her is correct? Do you think that such a behavior done by the children is correct with their mother? Do you think their children's behavior with her is correct? Absolutely not. By performing the duties, looking after the house, children and their needs, one expresses his or her love towards God. By performing the duties, by doing all the duties, looking after the house, doing all the works in the household, children and their needs, do for the children, do work for the children and their needs. One expresses his or her love towards God. A person can express his or her love by doing her or his duties, looking after the household, children, etc. Okay? God acknowledges all these efforts and gives rewards. God acknowledges all these efforts and gives rewards. God take our worships properly and give us rewards. Okay? Read this story and find it out yourself. Okay, so students, I will explain this story in the next video and you have to read properly this part I have explained today.